Now let us solve the NCERT 6th standard textbook Patterns in Mathematics, page number 3, first and second question. That is, we are having all ones here. These are all ones. Now, what is the pattern here? We are getting the pattern 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all are ones. How to get this next term? If we add 0 to the first term, we are getting the second term. Similarly, if we add 0 to the second term, we are getting the third term. In the similar manner, fourth, fifth, and sixth terms, we are getting the next term by adding 0 to it. Then, which are the next three terms? We are getting the next three terms by adding 0 to the previous term. 1. Like this, if we continue, we are getting 1, 1, and then 1. Come to the next number, that is counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this, etc. These are all called as counting numbers. What is the pattern followed here? Here, the pattern followed is, if we keenly observe, we are getting the next number by adding 1 to the previous number. Here, if we add 1 to 1, I am getting 2. And if I add 2 to 1, then I am getting 3. 3 to 1, I am getting 4. 4 to 1, then I am getting 5. Again 5 to 1, getting 6. Next number, I am getting 7 by adding 1. Which are the next three terms? You add 1 to 7, then we are getting 8. Then if we add 1 to 8, we are getting 9. Then if we add 1 to 9, we are getting 10. These are that means 8, 9, 10 are the next three numbers in the counting numbers. Next come to the odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. These are all, we know already, we have studied that these are all odd numbers. Here, what is the pattern followed? If you just observe them, then the difference between the first and second, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is also 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 13 minus 11 is 2. And 11 minus 9 is also 2. That means if we add 2 to the first number, I am getting the second number 3. Similarly, if I add 2 to 3, I am getting 5. If I add 2 to 5, I am getting 7. If I add 2 to 7, I am getting 9. If I add 2 to 9, I am getting 11. If I add 2 to 11, I am getting 13. Then which are the next three terms? Which are the next three terms? If I add 2 to 13, I am getting 15. Then 2 to 15, I am getting 17. If I add 2 to 17, I am getting 19. Which are the next three terms here? The next three terms are 15, 17, 19. Let us learn the next even numbers, next remaining patterns in the next video. Please subscribe my channel.